How you doing, guys? Bioinformatics guy here with another video of the series Bash Essentials for Bioinformatics. In this video we will be talking about another quick and easy and very useful tool known as Uniq, as well as we will also be taking a look how you can see the previous commands that you have used in terminal. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first we have to make sure that we are in the right directory. So you can see that I've done this ls command over here, and then we are able to see all the files. And now before we start using Uniq, I want you to learn a really small thing. And before that we will create our file. So first of all we have to create this file fruits. Yeah, I was running this earlier, so that's why I have some commands over here that I want to use. Yeah, so we have this file fruits.txt, and I want to first write the line which says apple. Okay, so if we hit enter and then we do head on the fruits file, and we can see apple. And then I want to add a banana, so we will type banana over here, BANANA, and then we will do it twice so that it adds a new line. Yeah, so now we can see apple as well as banana. And now I want to add another apple again, so I can do this. Yeah, we just have to add this thing so that it writes a new line. So we will get the apple, then I want to add cherry, and after that I want to add banana again, and then I want to add apple again. Then I want to add cherry again at the very end. Alright, let's do head on our fruits file and see if it's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine, so we will clear up some space. And now before using Uniq, I want to reintroduce sort. So we can try this sort on fruits. And let's see what happens. So now you can see that all the lines are sorted. We have 3 times apple over here, 2 times banana, and 2 times cherry. And now it's time to use our small little tool Uniq. Uniq will let you count the duplicate value. So it will tell you how many times each value is there, and we are using this -c flag, which will count the number of duplicate items. So if we hit enter, now we are able to see that we have 3 apples. You can see apple is 3 times, we have 2 banana, and we have 2 cherries. Now you might be saying, why don't just use Uniq -c on fruits file? So if you really want to do it, I will hit enter now, and now you will see that it says 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 apple, 1 cherry. Not useful, right? So the thing is that this tool Uniq only works when the file that you have is sorted. So let's use this Uniq tool on our variant file. So I want to grab all the variants. So I will do this inverted search, and I will ignore all the lines starting with hash in my variants file, and then I will sort my file. And after that I want to find Uniq, and I want to count 4. So now you might be wondering, what is this -c and -w? Let's take a look first. What are the results, and then I will explain what is -w. So now you can see that it says chromosome 1 has 2 variants, then it is saying that chromosome 2 has 2 variants, chromosome 3 has 2 variants, chromosome X has 2 variants. This -w4, so the thing is that 1, 2, 3, 4. So it only focuses on the first 4 characters. So this way we're able to count the number of variants in this file. So this is a very basic and very brief introduction of Uniq. And now I will clear up the space and we will move on to our next topic, which is history. So if you just type history and hit enter, you are able to see all the commands that you have run so far. And you can see that these are a lot of commands. So some of the commands are from some previous videos as well. And you can see that this is really long. So now here you can use our pipe, the power of pipe, to get cool results. So we will grep and we will see if we have used pwd, and we have used pwd. So we have used this time, and then we also have used it before, and we have used it a lot of times. So what if you want to see how many times you have used this command cd? So we will pipe again our output and we will count the number of lines. And if I hit enter, so I've used this cd 37 times. And let's see how many times I have used this pipe, if I'm using pipes enough or not. So I've used it just 12 times so far. So the thing is that this is a really cool way. Let's do a little bit of interesting thing. So I want to take a look at my history. Then I want to pipe and I want to use this awk tool. So this is another really cool tool to take a look at different text, which could be in files, which could also be standard output. So this awk is a whole tool that you have to learn. If you really like this video series, I can make another complete series on this tool awk separately. But right now we will just use a very small version of it. So we will print, and we are gonna print the second column from our history, and then we are gonna sort our output and we are gonna find unique values. We are gonna count them, and then we are gonna sort it again with NR. So yeah, let's just stay with me and before we see the results, and then I will explain it. So we are also gonna just take a look at the head. So now the thing what we have done is that we have got our complete history, then we have just taken a look at the second column to see the commands, then we sorted it, and then we give it to this Uniq to count the duplicates, and then we sorted it again. So we sorted it in the descending order so that we can see the command which was used the most, and then we did the head. So with the help of this head, we are able to see the top 10 most used command. So we can see that ls is our most used command, and then we have used clear because I'm clearing this screen again and again, and then comes echo, cd, grep, head, wc, rm, cat, and pwd. So this is really cool. This results is gonna be different for you. So let's try to use grep, sort, and unique on our sequence file. Let me clear up this space and we will grep and we will get the sequences. So we will take a look at the lines that are starting with this greater than sign, and then we are taking a look at our sequences file. We will sort the output and then we will count the unique. So now you can see that we have one entry of gene 1, 2 entries of gene 2, 3 entries of gene 3, and 2 entries of gene 4. So this is a really cool way if you want to count the number of specific sequences or specific genes in a FASTA file. What if you want to see the most abundant sequences in a FASTA file? So what we will do something similar. We will take a look at all the headers, then we will sort it, we will count it, and then we can do the similar thing that we have done with history. We will sort it again in descending order using the NR flag, and then we'll take the head. And now you can see that it sorted our output. And so let's assume that your FASTA file is really big, and then this command can be really helpful. Yeah, with that, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next video, we will be taking a look at a very important uh, idea in programming, which is known as loops. We will be taking a look at for loops. So once you have learned for loops, you would be able to manipulate thousands and even millions of files in seconds. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comment box. Don't forget to check out my blog, and please feel free to join our community on the Facebook. Thanks again for watching. See you around in the next one.